Bang, we're rolling. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back once again. Today, this is hopefully the third and final part of our interior build. If we look behind you, we have our carpet, oh not our carpet, our headliner. Nice and painted, it's all black. We need to wash all of our excess trim there, but we have all of our sort of roof trim ready to go back in. I'd say it's come up pretty schmick. Looks pretty factory finish, I reckon. Also today I have cameraman, the wonderful Dante from Broke Car Connoisseurs.
Name dropping me.
That's it. Today's pretty simple. We just got to throw everything out of the car, back into the car, which we're just going to start with the headliner and work our way down. Let's jump to it, baby. Feels crusty. Yeah. Every time I've been climbing in, I've been taking my shoes off because I'm like, it's new carpet.
Not even in the car.
Oh, this just already looks so much better. Oh, look at that. Oh, let me go grab my sun visors now. Okay, I think I'm screwed. It's basically sandpaper. Take a look at this. Bro, it looks so schmick.
Roof.
Yeah, mate. Sweet, I just gotta throw the light bit back on. But aside from that, that's it. And this has all gotta come out. Yeah, so a little bit of an awkward situation there, bud. Half the clips I just filmed were in slow-mo, so I have to reshoot them all. But anyway, all the plastics, you know, that I showed painting last time, I actually had to repaint them because I used the wrong primer. I used a plastic filler primer, but I need to use a plastic adhesion primer because it is bare plastic. But now that's all done, it's come out great, they're all dry, we're ready to throw them in. Quick update now that I have lost all these clips. Airbag, the new steering wheel is in. It looks lovely, looks awesome. The holes for the carpet, for the seats, they're all cut and ready to go, as well as like your seatbelt thing. I've got that center light in, you saw all those go in. Now it's time to throw the plastics in. So we're gonna set you up. Hopefully all of this will go in nice and smoothly. Fingers crossed, because I really don't feel like battling and breaking plastic today. So let's see. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. I'm so scared right now. All right, never mind. All right, I was here setting up for the next shot, okay? I'm here cleaning my next trim pieces to throw in, you know, the center console, make it all look nice. And then I'm also looking over at all this stuff over here. I'm like, sweet, you know, I gotta clean this, blah, 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 blah. I changed my mind. I'm not throwing it back in. We're painting everything. We are painting everything black. I'll pick this up probably tomorrow or Friday. It's currently Wednesday, but I'm gonna pick this up when I have paint. I'll see you all then. What am I doing? All right, I went and spent a lot of money on some more paint. We're ready to paint and I regret my decision of painting everything. Let's go do it. All right, first things first, we need to clean everything. And we need to clean it well because we are painting it. These trims sit in the doorway and they have gathered a lot of dirt. So we need to get these things spotless. We need to remove our speakers, of course, because we can't paint those. And once that's all done, we have to hit it with some wax and grease remover. Lay them all down on the floor. I've got some plastic drop sheets just to lay along the floor. Wax and grease remover, throw our primer on, then we can throw our matte black paint. And then after, I don't know how long they need to cure, we can put them back in. All right, with that said, it is time to clean. Let's get it. All right, two main plastics are done. Now it's time for all the small fiddly stuff. Man, that's awesome. I'm really happy that happened. I don't know what I did. Oh no, tracking's back. All right, my camera is very hot right now. I don't know why. Cleaned everything. This is our massive pile of things to clean, as well as our two big plastic trims over there. I have no idea of the most efficient way to do this because I'm trying to get this done pronto. I've got a plastic sheet to lay down on the floor, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna throw all the little stuff on first, I think. Go ahead and throw on our adhesion promoter. I think we'll paint them as well, and then we'll just do our big guys separately because they're a lot more work. Bada bing, bada boom, bit of whimsical magic. Now it's all black again. So now we'll be hopefully matching. A lot easier to do because there's already dark base underneath it. So it came up real well, real quick. All looks good, it's all dry. We can now go ahead and throw it in. I can throw in pretty much our door runners. Then we have our covers on the sides there, door runners, center console, everything there. And then we just have to do our back plastics, which will be these guys. So what I'm gonna do is get all those off. I'm just gonna lay them inside the car. We'll paint these. Once everything's painted, we'll go ahead and start fitting everything. Surprisingly, this has taken me like twice as long as I thought this would even take, mainly because I messed up painting like 3 times in a row. And then on the 4th try, then we got it. But the main thing I'm sort of concerned about is one, color of the door cards, and then the dash. The dash and sort of the bottom plastics, because I know I could take out all the bottom plastics, but painting the dash would be a huge undertaking, but I think it would look really good. So maybe in the future, we could either suede wrap it, we could take it out and paint it. Maybe I could buy another dash, I don't know, something like that. Door cards, to be determined. Not too sure what I want to do. And obviously bucket seats. So the interior is coming along well. There's a few things I want to do, a few things that I can't do just yet. But what we're gonna do, we'll go ahead, we'll start painting the big quarter plastics, rear quarter plastics, and then we'll be ready to hopefully throw them in. Hopefully tonight. I think it's almost too cold to paint. So maybe tomorrow morning we paint the big guys, but we're almost there. Let's jump to it. Who's this guy? What's he doing? Who's this guy? All right, it is Saturday. I've painted all the plastics finally. These ones especially took forever, but it wasn't too bad. So we're all sorted. We've got all our smaller trims ready to throw in. So it's just a matter of reassembling. And then we're finally done. And then we have a special guest today. Who's this guy? Who's this guy?
I'm the special guest.
Let's go.
I'm the special guest.
But Michael's here and he's gonna help us do everything.
I'm here. Welcome to
Dude, no way.
vlog.
Dude, it's vlogception, bro. What? Will it go back? Hey man, just make it fit. Oh, was that in? Center console. See, this is where the carpet's like a bit hair going. An impact? I'm not using an impact on random screws, bro.
Put the screw back in here.
Yeah. Alright. It's time for seats. I can't remember the order on which I took out. I need the bottom piece in first. That's what I need. Okay. So I remember there were like hooks at the front. That's probably fine. All right, rear seat time. Bro, this thing's so dirty. Just trying to throw stuff back in. Oh, that's it. Now it's just the parcel tray, which is on the bin. Other way. Ta-da! Oh, bro, that's it. Time for front seats, you know what I'm saying? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my new podcast. Today, I've got Michael with me. Say hello.
Hey, man.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
He agrees. I've got front seats to put in. I'm already tired.
Do we need front seats?
No, I feel like we can reach the back from here. Yeah. Like, stay with my feet. Yeah. I don't have my grippers out, unfortunately, because that's like pay content. But you know, you get the picture. I drive like this. I can honk like that. I get a wood plank for the accelerator pedal. We don't need a clutch. We can float gears. Did you have fun doing this?
Yeah, man. I'm not getting paid, so I'm actually his slave.
Oh yeah. Well, one down. One more to go. Exactly, subscribe. I'm a quarter of the way to 1,000. Halfway to 500. And remember guys, remember, if I hit 1,000 subs before the end of this year, I'll drive a car through a brick wall. Remember.
And she's in, let's go.
Let's go, that's it guys. Thanks for watching, goodbye.
Hey yo, your name Tiffany?
Hey yo. Oh bang. Alright. What's up guys? Welcome back to this edition of Shift Knob Install. Today we have Spoon Sports. What? Spot, I wish. Maybe one day. First part, shift knob.
It's actually not that big.
Ooh.
It's actually pretty small.
No, no. Can't go point it, give me the angles. Alright. Oh, do I need a backup? Wait. Oh, it's in there. I opened the wrong part. I want the sticker. Okay, here's the most important part. Gotta do it straight. Is that on? Bang.
Oh, my dog's in the
Yeah, man. Everyone pays to see those dogs. Ladies and gentlemen, that once again brings us to the end of another video, and by no means are we anywhere close to being finished. The Civic is coming up pretty well. I'm pretty happy where it's sitting right now. The interior looks quite good. I even got some fresh floor mats. Got a spoon knob. I need to sort that out, but our roof looks super clean and tidy, especially with all the black plastics now. I am very happy how that turned out. The black carpet looks very good. But again, we are nowhere near being finished. So once again, remember to like, subscribe. Stay tuned for much, much more. And remember, at 1,000 subs by the end of the year, I will drive a car through a brick wall, and that is a promise. So remember to subscribe. All right, we'll see you next time.